Hey guys, and welcome back. Hopefully you're having an amazing day and staying healthy. My shotgun just came in after 2 weeks of shipping. I did come from California, so across the whole United States. So that's not terrible. And with all of COVID happening, and they had delayed shipping, so it isn't terrible. So in here, I think I already said it, there is a shotgun. And I also ordered a couple extra things with it. Okay, so first we have some Crytek 0.2 gram BBs. 4,000. I'm gonna set this over here. Ooh, it's hot. Next we have 6 30-round shells. Good. And actually I can give the prices of these two. So the BBs were $8. The shells were $15. This is a little Velcro thing to hold the shells. This was, I think this was also $8. This cost $49 because it was on sale. It's a SEMA tri-shot spring shotgun. This is the short full stock CQB version. Obviously comes with one shell and BBs and a speed loader. The BBs I would not recommend using in this shotgun or in any of your other guns. I would recommend using them only in grenades. Good. Your speed loader, couldn't think of the name there. The one shell it comes with, that's why I got extras. And obviously, oh wow, that's actually kind of heavy. The shotgun itself feels pretty sturdy. Gun jamming rod, if you can see that. Can you see it? Okay. And some of these gelatin packet type thingies that most people just throw out.
Almost like a real shotgun with the unjamming rod.
There are this rear sight, if you can they see it or no? Rear sight, adjustable for windage, and that's it. It does have a pretty big grip right here, and can you even see it? The stock, how big the stock is. The videos I've seen, they did say that it's going to take a little bit to get the pump like worked in. I don't know what the heck this is, if you can see that. Probably just disassemble it or something. Oh no, it's to...
Just don't mess with it now.
Yeah, well, I'll have a video on it, like I said, like 7 times already. Have this just for looks. And oh yeah, for the trapdoor, let me open it here. Ka-ching! Put in your shell like so. Can you see it? So okay.